This tutorial, we will show you how to create an eye-catching travel introduction animation in Canva, perfect for your travel blog or social media. Here's what we're creating today. Stick around and we will show you step-by-step how to make this. Start by opening Canva and select Video for YouTube video. For this tutorial, we will create the travel introduction for the first image. Select the first image. Right-click Set Image as Background. Select the cover page for this image. Adjust the cover page to fill up the page. Now we will select our aeroplane. Adjust the aeroplane to fill the width of the page. Select the cover page and aeroplane and group them. Now we will duplicate the page. On the duplicate page, click on Cover Page and Aeroplane. Next, we will move them to the right, all the way until we cannot see the aeroplane. But note that we need to leave a little part of the airplane that we can see on the page as shown on the screen. Now we will add the transition. Click on the Add Transition, click on Match and Move. Adjust the duration to 1.5 to slow down the movement. Let's see the result. Now we will add the text on the cover page. Add in My Travel Journey. Add in the animation Ascend for the text. To make our image come alive, we can animate our image. Click on Animate. Select Photo Zoom, click on Enter. Here you are. For a realistic touch, you can add in airplane sound effect as it moves across during the transition. It will really elevate the overall experience. And that's how you can use the Match and Move animation in Canva to create stunning travel blog visuals. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're inspired to try it out for your own projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. Let us know in the comments how you'd use this effect in your designs. Thank you for watching, and we see you in the next one. Happy designing!